Oh, you're just a happy little camper. You're just begging for pets. I'm gonna stop, and then you're gonna be like, yeah. Oh, don't tip my... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, where is it? Where the fuck did I put it? Where is it? Oh, no. Ah! Been a minute. Started taking a lot of the aluminum off, started to reframe it. Here's a good side-by-side of how nasty this old wood looked compared to the relatively less nasty new wood we're using. This is a bunch of the old wood. There's a lot of areas where they really routed out way too much so they can run some wiring, or they use interior plywood thinking that it wasn't going to get rained on. We started framing part of the floor as well. That's eventually going to be the next part, is yanking all that out. Old air conditioner, fridge, range and oven, one of the chairs, the generator, tires, and this is all the old aluminum that we've taken off the passenger side too. So I think what we're going to try and do is finish taking off the aluminum off the other side, and we're going to take the windows and the aluminum off of this side, so we just have finally just plain access to the walls and better access to the floor, so we can start really gutting this bitch and putting new guts in. Getting the Tioga ready for the nude scenes of the YouTube censored, Patreon only tier, uncensored Tioga, full frontal, without the clothing. Top tier Patreon, triple X, too hot for Dodge, too hot for Fleetwood, but you should be playing Fleetwood Mac while observing the triple X Temptation, too hot for automatic transmission. The aluminum. We're just giving them more and more and more and more. Look at all these termite trucks. That's fucking nature right there. Nature.
Sometimes I feel I've got to run away.
Got some fucking shit done today. Got some shit done today. Hey, can you guys see the chip in my tooth from over there? It's like right there.
There's a little bit of progress on this side.
Trying to give ourselves a little preparation so when I eventually try and fold this up, that's approximately where I want it to go.
Tennis training. I am your teacher. Backhands make you strong. They think they can get the ball behind you, and they think they have you with the back foot because it's your backhand. No, strong backhand only. Listen, match, training match, backhands only. You have to get around the ball. Backhand only. Doing forehand, wrong, backhand.
Take a look down the length of the bumper here. Looks like at some point, I mean, we knew this was bent to shit, but it's really put that side right up against the aluminum here.
Tennis cap, pop, forehand. Don't miss. You slap your balls with a tennis racket. No good. Forehand strong. You give the forehand ball, you punish them. You make them regret ever competing with forehand good.
I'm gonna screw this top one in.
Tennis training, part 3, day 3, tennis school. Delicate hits, right on the net, give it right on the other side of the net. They can't make it in time. Training, day 3.5, tennis camp training. You gotta make it look like you're gonna nail it to the other side, but then you give it a light tap. Back to day 1, backhand. Day 4, sheer muscles. Muscle strength, fingertip strength. The only way. Full body incorporation. Do not throw out your back. Leg muscles. Completely remove your enemy from the tennis court. Yeah.
Much light in here, Gavin.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Loving the open concept. Very spacious RV design. Gotta pull out the big guns for this one. Not done yet, and I'm excited to do the exact same bullshit on the other side. The torch. Oh, this thing cuts like butter.
We'll get back to you when we find the will to go on. God, I hope this works.
There ain't nothing quick about rip day, baby.
Y'all ready to get fucking down? Bumping in my Honda, stomping in my darkness. Bumping in my Honda, stomping in my darkness. Bumping in my Honda, and I'm stomping in my darkness. Driving around my whole crew, Jack Daniels and my Mountain Dew. Like yellow, we running through, picking up girls that we done subdue. Flexing on cops, flexing on haters, flexing on pops, flexing on neighbors, flexing on cops, flexing on haters, flexing on pops, flexing on neighbors. Oh, that shit is supreme.
Backhand only.